Hello, everyone. My name is Juliet Gaskins, and the presentation I'll be bringing to you today is about greenhouse projects. The greenhouse project, it's a nationally recognized model of long-term care development. This was established by a Harvard graduate known as Dr. William Thomas. These homes centered around autonomy, choice, privacy, and dignity of the residents, fostering a healthy, loving relationship with the residents, and the staff is highly encouraged as well. The greenhouse model gained widespread recognition in the senior living industry. Unlike the traditional long term facilities, the greenhouse project provides real home with intimate team that develops a deep understanding of the elders who live there. In the greenhouse, the language that is spoken is taken seriously and it should be done intentionally. In other words, the residents in the greenhouses, they're called elders, and the CNAs, they're called Shabazim. Singular for Shabazim is Shabazz. The word Shabazim, sorry, is a Persian word meaning royal falcon. And the story behind that word is used to create the sense of warmth and support, hence removing all the negative connotations sometimes associated with CNAs. The Shabazim work as a family, managing the care. They also do a little housekeeping, laundry, and cooking. Meals in the greenhouses are prepared in an open kitchen. Um, the elders, they can also participate in meal preparation if they like. And they are all served at a large dining area, including families, if any family member is present, any other visitors for that matter, staff members. So they all sit together at the table and they eat in what is called a convivium style. The word convivium also means good food, good company. So, in other words, what is encouraged in the greenhouse is positiveness and everything that is good for the elders. The greenhouse model is suitable for patients who are suffering from Alzheimer and dementia. And the environment is designed to reduce the number of people going in and out so that it doesn't trigger anxiety and confusion of the elders. And the atmosphere, it also facilitates emotional and spiritual well-being. Research shows that elders in those model homes, they have a better quality of life in terms of their privacy and their dignity. The quality of care is also exceptional. They go through less depression, they're less bedbound, fewer pressure ulcers, and fewer hospitalizations. They have meaningful engagement. Families are satisfied with the level of care, and the staff, they are also satisfied with their job. For the greenhouse model, it currently operates in 32 states with 134 homes and 106 in the developmental stage. The first greenhouse model in Florida started at Bartram Park, Jacksonville, and this is under the administration of the Brooks Rehabilitation. To learn more about the greenhouse, you can visit their websites at www.greenhouseproject.org. Thank you.